everybody, my name is Omar Sungar, and today I'm going to be your naked vegan chef. So what I got planned is a 5-bean lentil soup. If I'm really going for it, I'm going to usually get 5 different beans plus the red lentils, or including the red lentils. The idea is that it has a bunch of veggies, bunch of beans, super hearty, tasty, hot soup on a day like today. It's a rainy day in paradise. We're here in Hawaii, and let's get right into it. So most important is the red lentils. You can measure it or you don't have to. I'll show you by the end how to tell. It's basically gonna just give you obviously a thicker consistency the more lentils you put in. But this right here is about 1.25 pounds of red lentils. So we'll put that on the side for now. Some black soybeans. I've actually never had these before. Organic. Some vegetarian beans and tomato sauce. Those are good to go. Some corn. Some garbanzo beans. In addition to those, garlic. 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper. Some Yukon Gold potatoes and a red onion. So, step 1 is actually going to be to dice up your red onion. Let that start sauteing over here, kind of low fire. And get some garlic. I'm gonna dice these up relatively fine, but again, it's not incredibly important because the flavor will become part of the soup while the actual material of the vegetable is kind of just gonna melt away. I just got everything in here, sauteing up some garlic, some red onions. Smells just so good. A couple more pieces of garlic. I used to basically live off of this. If you mix this with some brown rice or some black rice, it's gonna be a complete protein. You can't actually live from it. Actually fresh oregano right here. We'll throw some of that in there in a minute. Get some peppers down here. And there's no particular order in how you do this. In fact, it might even be better to throw in a little bit of this oregano now. So, fry it up and stuff. Ooh, that smells strong. Alright. Put this in there. That's good for now. Get the red pepper going. It's gonna be really colorful, really delicious, really healthy. Those flavorful blend of peppers, garlic, onions in there. If you're starting from scratch and you haven't really cooked anything, let alone a soup, I'm just gonna show you how easy it is. And it's vegan. Up next, we're gonna add some potatoes in there. It's gonna make it nice and hearty. Some good carbohydrates. Ooh. Right. Careful where So right here we have some plain seasoned salt. It's got garlic, ginger, chili flakes, sea salt, and then black pepper. And also, be ready to have to add a lot more seasoning to this because there's so much soup. It takes quite a bit more than you'd probably imagine in the beginning. Biggest part. You want to just add this straight in. And you're going to coat all of it with the oil. So you want to get those nice and coated. Coat them in the oil. It's going to help them break down and really melt. Diced tomatoes. Just want them all really to get nice and wet. With all the juices from the vegetables and the oil. All the flavors are really in there. And it kind of gives the beans a head start. They're kind of broken in. That outer shell of them is nice and slightly fried and soaked in all the oil, so now they're going to be nice and hot and ready to melt. There's 1 part soup elements that we were just mixing around. Add 1 part water. I'm going to go ahead and add some water now. I'm going to throw a lid on this and let it do its thing. That's vegetarian beans. black soybeans, some corn, and last but not least, some garbanzo beans. Check on it in 20 minutes for sure. No, it's gonna take a while. Probably about 40 minutes altogether. 35 to 40 minutes. A little bit of salt. My favorite part of all. The limon. Try this at home. Let me know how it comes out. Comment. Make sure you subscribe. I got more videos coming soon. There's vlogs, music videos, you name it. Cheers from Omar Sungar, your naked vegan chef.